What if just 10 minutes could completely change the way you look and feel? Imagine a short burst of movement so powerful it keeps your body burning fat long after you've stopped. No expensive gym memberships, no bulky equipment, just you, your determination, and a routine designed to melt calories fast. This isn't about spending hours sweating away. It's about working smarter, hitting every muscle with precision, and turning your own home into the ultimate fat-burning zone. With every rep, every heartbeat, and every drop of sweat, you're pushing closer to the stronger, leaner, more confident version of yourself. 10 minutes is all it takes, and your transformation starts right now. Number 1. Warm up. Before we dive into the intense part of your workout, we need to prepare the body, and that's where the warm-up comes in. Think of it as flipping the switch from rest mode to performance mode. A good warm-up boosts your heart rate, increases blood flow to your muscles, and improves flexibility so you can move more efficiently and reduce the risk of injury. For the next minute, start by marching in place, lifting your knees high, and swinging your arms naturally. This wakes up the legs and gets your upper body involved. From here, roll your shoulders backward in slow, controlled circles to release tension and open up your chest. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, letting your body know it's time to work. Keep your movements light, but intentional. This isn't about speed yet. It's about activation. By the time we're done, your muscles will be primed, your joints will feel loose, and your body will be ready to crush every single move that's coming next. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are one of the most effective full-body cardio moves you can do without equipment, and they're perfect for burning fat fast. They work your core, shoulders, arms, and legs while keeping your heart rate high for maximum calorie burn. To start, get into a strong plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight, back flat, and neck neutral. From here, drive one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, as if you're running in place horizontally. Keep your movements sharp and controlled, landing on the balls of your feet. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm while avoiding bouncing your hips up and down. Your abs should be engaged the entire time. Think about pulling your belly button toward your spine. This move not only strengthens your muscles, but also skyrockets your endurance, making it a perfect fat-burning finisher. Push hard for the full time, and you'll feel your core ignite while your heart pounds in the best way. Number 3. Burpees. Burpees are one of the most powerful full-body exercises you can do to burn fat quickly and build strength all at once. They combine cardio, strength, and explosive power in one move, making them a top choice for fast fat loss and overall conditioning. To perform a burpee, start standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Then, lower your body into a squat position and place your hands flat on the floor just in front of you. From here, kick your feet back quickly so you're in a strong plank position. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. If you're able, drop your chest down and do a push-up to engage your upper body even more. After that, jump your feet back up toward your hands to return to the squat position. Finally, explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead to maximize power and calorie burn. Burpees push your cardiovascular system and challenge multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, and arms, making them incredibly effective for torching calories fast. They also improve endurance, coordination, and agility. The key to burpees is maintaining good form throughout to avoid injury. Keep your core tight, land softly to protect your joints, and control your breathing. Even if you need to modify by skipping the push-up or jump, keep moving and push yourself for the full time. Burpees may be tough, but the results are worth every second of effort. Number 4. High knees. High knees are a simple yet incredibly effective cardio move that targets your core, legs, and cardiovascular system all at once. This exercise involves running in place while lifting your knees as high as possible, ideally up to waist level. To start, Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and engage your core. Begin by driving one knee up toward your chest while pumping the opposite arm forward. Just like running, but with exaggerated knee lifts. Keep a quick, steady pace, landing lightly on the balls of your feet to protect your joints and maintain balance. Number 5. Push-up to plank jack. It is a dynamic, full-body exercise that combines upper body strength with cardio and core stability, making it a powerful move for burning fat and building muscle simultaneously. To begin, start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core to prevent your hips from sagging or lifting too high. Lower your chest toward the floor by bending your elbows, performing a controlled push-up. Once you push back up to the plank position, immediately jump your feet out to the sides, like a horizontal jumping jack, then quickly jump them back together. This combination targets multiple muscle groups. The push-up works your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core, while the plank jack adds an intense cardio element that elevates your heart rate and engages your lower body, especially your glutes and hip abductors. Maintaining core engagement throughout the movement is essential to keep your body stable and protect your lower back. The jump motion also improves coordination and agility, making this exercise great for functional fitness. Because push-up to plank jack is high intensity, it maximizes calorie burn in a short time. It challenges your muscular endurance and cardiovascular system simultaneously, making it perfect for fat-burning workouts. If the push-up feels too challenging, you can modify by dropping to your knees, but still performing the plank jack to keep your heart rate up. This exercise pushes your limits, but the results are well worth the effort. Number 6. Side-to-side skater jumps. It is a fantastic plyometric exercise that targets your lower body muscles, improves balance, coordination, and burns calories quickly. This move mimics the motion of a speed skater, which makes it both dynamic and effective for building explosive power and agility. To perform, start by standing on your right leg with your left foot slightly off the ground. Push off your right foot and jump laterally to the left, landing softly on your left foot while bringing your right foot behind you, just like a speed skater's glide. Use your arms to swing naturally, helping you maintain momentum and balance. As you land, bend your knee slightly to absorb the impact and prepare for the next jump back to the right side. Keep your core engaged throughout the exercise. This exercise not only strengthens your lower body, but also elevates your heart rate, making it a powerful cardio move. It's great for improving lateral movement and coordination, skills that are valuable in many sports and everyday activities. Focus on controlled, fluid movements and soft landings to protect your joints. Side-to-side skater jumps challenge your balance and endurance, making them an excellent addition to any fat-burning workout. Number 7. Plank to shoulder tap. It is a highly effective exercise that targets your core muscles while also engaging your shoulders, arms, and stabilizing muscles. This move challenges your balance and coordination, making it an excellent addition to any fat-burning workout focused on building strength and stability. To begin, start in a strong, high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine and keep your hips level to prevent any swaying or rotation. From this stable plank position, lift one hand off the ground and tap the opposite shoulder. Return your hand to the floor and immediately repeat the movement with the other hand. The key here is to minimize any movement in your hips and torso. Your body should stay as steady as possible throughout. This requires strong core engagement and helps improve overall stability and balance. Plank to shoulder tap works the deep abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back, while also strengthening the shoulders and arms. Because it's a compound movement that requires coordination and control, it helps improve functional fitness and posture. It also raises your heart rate, contributing to fat burning and endurance. For beginners, performing the exercise with knees on the ground can make it more accessible while still offering great core activation. Maintaining proper form is essential to avoid strain and maximize results. So there you have it. Now I want to hear from you. Which exercise in today's workout did you find the most challenging? Please give your answer in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and join our members community for exclusive perks. Link in the description.